Uh, Let me start by introducing myself. My name is Deepak Murugayan. I'm the co-founder CEO here at Teach Edison. So our product is Edison OS. So we are more like Shopify, but focused towards knowledge commerce. So more like think of a platform like Shopify, but focused only towards knowledge commerce. So just to start with the problem today, like if anyone who is involved in the transaction of knowledge or in the business of knowledge, be it tech or community building or coaching, the first most important aspect for them is building a technology stack, and either they can build something from scratch, which is going to be operationally expensive and capitally, they need to have some funds. So most of them take the route of using the existing set of tools to build their stack. So if you need a website, then you take up a subscription Webflow or WordPress. Then you take CRM and a learning management system, teach online using Zoom or Google Meet. So you try to take all these independent SaaS solutions and you club it, and you try to start the operations of your business, which is little very kind of very expensive way, but it's also a little hassle for someone to really give a good user experience. So this is a pretty common problem in most of the cases, and that's where we try to come in and say, why don't we create a platform, an all-in-one platform, an infrastructure, a branded infrastructure for you to launch your online edtech business within 30 seconds. So the first focus we try to bring in here is like this entire set of tools or a suite or a platform that we have built is purely for knowledge business. Unlike a generic solution, this is more of for the knowledge business. That's where we try to come in. Just to give you an idea about the market, I think in US alone, every year about $20 billion are spent only in building edtech technologies for new companies. And even post the pandemic, if you could see, like Google Classroom and the usage has drastically shifted. Like about 33% more people subscribe for G Suite for education. But the problem is, like, you could see the kind of rating which they had earlier came down drastically because of non fitting this particular market, because Google Classroom or existing learning management system were built specifically for a confined structured learning. So when someone is thinking of building their knowledge business, which is not in a structured way, you don't have much solution available in the market, and that's where we try to come in and support us. So I think for the last 6 years, all three of us, we've been in the tech consulting. Earlier, we used to consult organizations, academies, governments, and things like that for mostly building technology stacks for education or content digitization. And we commonly get this problem from especially first time entrepreneurs or entrepreneurs saying that building a tech stack is very expensive. Why don't we find an very cost effective solution? So since we know this market really well, and we have built a lot of technology, 2019 is where we started our roadmap, and 2020 is what we were in private beta, and this year is what I think March is what we